there's all these hundreds and hundreds of birds up here, and they're all sitting on this power line. Like some of them are going back there now. It's sort of like how bats all flock together. Like they're probably after all the bugs around. Yeah, all along that power line, and then they go up and have a feed. Hundreds upon hundreds. Don't know about 1,000, but they're all the way along that power line. Yeah, sorry about the vision, like lens has been cleaned, but you get these glares that happen. Alright, I think that's enough of that, but very interesting sight. I did miss a fantastic one. There was, like, they were all up there pretty much, and yeah, I had to clean the lens and they all went. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it reminds me of bats, but they are just little birds.